question, reverse vowel of a string. So there's an edge case here. It could be both lower and uppercase. And also the string could have no vowels at all. This question is a very intuitive two-pointer question. So we have like left pointer and right pointer. And left pointer starting from the very beginning and the right pointer starting from reversely in the end. So they will match up in the middle. And at the same time, if they both have vowels, they will just swap with each others. So yeah, let's do it. So we can define the result as a list of the string, and we can define the left as 0, the right as the length of the string minus 1. So while the left is smaller than right, and while the left is smaller than the length of the string, and the string left is not a vowels. But how to define whether it's a vowel or not? We can have vowels as a set. So we have the A, capital A, E, capital E, I, capital I, O, capital O, U, capital U, and see whether it's in or not in this vowels set. So if it's true, just increment the left and do the same thing to the right. So this is gonna larger than 0 as right. It's also not in vowels. In this case, right need to decrement by 1. So if it's the same, left is less than the right. So it's necessary to swap them. So we're doing this result left, result right was equal to result right. This is a very standard way to swap items in Python. And we return. This is also a very standard way to make a list of character into a string. So let's see whether it's correct or not. Oh, it's wrong. Why? Because when we swap it, we need to increment the left and decrement the right. Otherwise, it's time limit easy, right? Let's run it. Yes, that's